Hoh Rainforest is located on the Olympic Peninsula in the Pacific Northwest. It is located in western Washington state, and is one of the largest temperate rainforests in the United States. Forest inside Olympic National Park is protected from commercial exploitation. The Hoh River and the Hoh were named after it takes its name from the Quinault language name for the river. The Hoh River is a river of the Pacific Northwest, located on the Olympic Peninsula in Washington, United States of America. The river served not only as a riverine thoroughfare leading to their fishing sites and their hunting, trapping and foraging grounds, it was also the nursery of the salmon. Hoh Rainforest Hall of Moss is a 1.1 mile with heavily trafficked loop trail located near Forks, Washington that features beautiful wildflowers and is good for all skill levels, with wildlife sighting. The best time to visit Olympic National Park for wildlife viewing is during spring, that is May and June. Yet summer is the most popular, and the months April, May, June, July, August, and September usually brings warmer, drier weather to the Olympic Peninsula.